Add a little bit of oil to the coffee and you will love the result. In a glass container, we are going to add water until it covers. When it is full, we will add a spoonful of coffee powder and immediately stir with a spoon until it is diluted and mixes with the water. Then we add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use the one you prefer. We will put this aside, and then we take a plastic glass of 16 ounces, and with a scissor we cut the bottom, since it is the only thing we will use of the glass. We already have the bottom, now we will make a hole in the center using scissors. Now we will use the wick of a wax candle. I will use the scissors to break the candle and remove the wick. We will give some turns and we will cross it in the hole we made in the center of the base of the glass. We return the container with the mixture and we submerge the base of the glass with the wick and then turn it on. This is a candle that does not go out and is ideal to eliminate mosquitoes and insects. Subscribe for more tips.